Hello guys, it's me Mustafa again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a distance alarm with an Arduino, in which if there's an object too close to the Arduino, there's going to be a buzzer that's going to go on, and then if you pull it back, if the object goes back, then it's going to stop. My name is Mustafa, and welcome to Ideas Castle. Okay guys, so for this you need an Arduino. It doesn't matter what company it's from. Mine's from Eligo, yours can be from Smarza or any other company that you may know of. But I'm going to be using an Arduino Uno, so I think you should use that too. A breadboard, a small one or a big one. I'm using the mini one right now. I'm going to see how it goes, but if you want to make it easier to move around, so then I would use the mini one. But if we just want to quickly make it, then I guess the big one. But it's your choice. The ultrasonic sensor, that's basically gonna be doing almost everything besides the Arduino, and some buzzers, and a bunch of jumper wires. These aren't all of them. You need. I'm gonna use more. I was more in here. So yeah, so we're just gonna start the project. So first we are gonna take our ultrasonic sensor and we're gonna plug it in there like that. If you're using the bigger breadboard, then I think you know which way it would go. If you don't, you can just find a diagram on Google and use it according to that. I am gonna have a diagram. I am looking at it right now. I did make a diagram for you. So, and the code and as well as the diagram is gonna be in the description. The link to it is gonna be in the description. So yeah, you can go to in the description and go to the diagram and the code. You can copy and paste the code to Arduino IDE. It's up to you, or you can copy it off so you can learn more. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so once we have that on, we are gonna push in our buzzer, and then we are going to take a jumper wire like this, and we are going to put it in ground. Actually, why am I doing this? Why not just put up the diagram? Okay, so once you have that, it should look something like this. Unless you're using a big breadboard, like the bigger one, it would look different. But yeah, I hope that diagram was helpful for you. And if you want the code, as I keep on saying, it's in the description. Or you could visit my website, but it's not out yet. I'm just going to publish my website in a couple of days, so you guys can visit that too. It's going to be called www.ideascastle.com. But don't worry about that now. It's not out yet, but it's going to have all these diagrams and more, and codes too. Okay, so okay, let's come back here. So okay, so we have that. So we're just going to upload the code now. So we're going to plug that in, and let's go over to the screen. Okay guys, so this is the code here, as you can see, and we're just gonna plug in our Arduino, and we are gonna click upload once you have. So you don't want to save it, but if you go in tools and if you have these two selected, then click upload. And it should say uploading to iWord. And then what? Yeah. So now it's done. I can see it on my Arduino. It's blinking. So now if we, so I'm quickly going to tell you this. So if you go down here and it says if safety distance 80, that was just selected while I was writing the code, but you can change it to 10 centimeters and then upload it again. I change it to 10 centimeters, so if I put my hand within 10 centimeters, it's gonna, the buzzer's gonna go off. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So, as you can see, my hand's here, it's not 10 centimeters, it won't count. That's 10 centimeters around here. And if you go in serial monitor, it also tells you the distance. So right now, if we take off the buzzer and we click the serial monitor again, it's showing me the distance right now to the nearest thing, which is my arm, and it's 20 centimeters. And if we plug that back in again, it won't, because it knows there's something else now to tell it the thing that it's trying to tell us. Alright, so yeah, and like this is how like the thing should look like. This is the diagram again, and yeah, so yeah. Okay guys, so I really hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really like it if you hit that red button that says subscribe in white and is red. Can you please make that gray? And then there should be a bell near it, and click that so you can like know whenever I post new videos, and like so that like that way I can help you make more stuff, and you can help me by subscribing. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like down there. And again, the code and diagram is in the description. So and this project is a pretty fun project if you're starting to get into this like Arduino thingy, buying a kit and you don't know what to do with it. Then I would say you subscribe to my channel. I can like I show different stuff and how to make them with like pretty basic tutorials, and then I'm gonna get harder and harder on the way. But I also have a website, Ideas Castle, which isn't out yet, but go there once it's out. I will tell you, and you can get more tutorials, and yeah, so bye.